Di sini saya menggunakan satu ayam. I use the whole chicken, ginger, onion, spring onion, oyster, and black soy sauce, and light soy sauce, and this one is I'm using the pepper. So this is the TACH sauce brand I'm using, and this is I using oyster sauce. Now we need to use the salt to apply to soak. Is like I'm using 1 spoon, and I just put the on top, and I apply whole body the chicken as well. And leave the chicken is around 1 hour for marinate and go taste after that. So now we use 1 bowl for prepare the salt, and I'm using like 1 spoon light soy sauce. And I'm using like 1 or 2 spoon black soy sauce. It's up to you. What you like to darker, then you put more. And then I put the 1 spoon is oyster, and then we mix it and as well, and put pepper. Pepper must put a lot, is because the make a taste bit better. Then we mix again until is all mixed well. So right now we going to prepare the chicken, put on the big bowl on the plastic like this. So put the sauce just now we make, and then apply it on top whole body the chicken, and then rub the chicken all over the body, the sauce we make, and inside also. Okay, so this is important part, how we do later become is nice and soft chicken. So we prepare is the ginger, spring onion. Okay, so the spring onion and ginger we need to also apply with the sauce. Okay, then we do it like this. So make sure they're all over the sauce. Okay, so after that we put inside the chicken bodies, to make a good smell. After that, then the rest of the sauce we apply again on whole body of the chicken. Okay, we just wrapping like that, like this. Okay, we just wrap, and this is we need to marinate is around 2 hours. Okay, we leave for 2 hours for it. Then after that we done for to cooking. Two or 1 hour lah, it's up to you, more longer more better. Okay, now we starting to prepare the ginger. 4 to 5 slice, and then big onion or red onion, then we slice it and then put in all the cooker. But this one, please don't add any water because we no need using water, because for the chicken itself is already have water, so we no need to use water anymore. So go in the put in the inside the chicken, okay, and then the sauce itself, just know we need to put, because is the make taste more better after. Then we close it and then start we cooking for 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, this is already done 30 minutes. It's still hot, so we need more. This is already 1 hour, so a little bit soft. You see, it's just nice, right? Okay, this is already done 1 hour 30 minutes. You see, looks so good and beautiful. This is, you can try it. It is a very nice taste and soft and very perfect soft. Okay, thank you.